Gee. Yeah, buddy. Man. Hold on there, little buddy. Don't let me get you out of here. Look at that bass. Nice, healthy bass. Yeah, got him. Whoa, another nice one. Yeah, baby. Whoa. Yeah. Oh. Come on over here. Dang it. I don't want to lose him. No, another little baby. Hold on there, little fella. Hold on. Okay, so I'm here at the park. I just wanted to show you my setup, and I have a EU speaker here. It's pretty cool. It's just tied by a bungee, real easy. Plus minus, a little light right here. Air pump. I traded out the seat for something more comfortable. A little light back here. This is just a regular, I believe it's a Schwinn Roadmaster, but I took off all the markings. I just, you know, it's just me. I don't like that stuff on it. I got my sticker right here, real simple, 63 of course. And this is the backpack I bought. It's not a backpack, it's actually like a fanny pack, but this is what I wear around my waist. It's got a scale, scissors, forceps, measuring, a knife. You have a mouth gripper, and then of course on the inside you got all this stuff, that lures and stuff. Something very important also in here, this is where I carry my protection if I'm going unrecognizable territory. So this is actually pretty cool. Fits on the rack right here. Just has the bungee. It came with it, and it actually fits perfect. And actually, this is very strong. I got this from Walmart. It goes right around the seat, but it fits real good. And this is what I'm real happy about. I just got this yesterday. It's called the Bike Fisherman. And just put your rods in here. There's two clamps that it goes with, and you would just figure out how to do it on your bike. This piece of rubber, it's supposed to keep your rods in place so they don't fall out, which is okay, you know, nothing wrong with that. I wish that there was another bracket back here so that we can tie another one of these clamps, but I kind of improvised. I don't know if you can see, I put a zip tie right here, and it worked perfectly. It's just it needed a little something on this side of it. It's called the Bike Fisherman. I got it from Amazon. It was, I think, 35 bucks, because I wanted to come to the park all the time, and I had broke down one rod, and I had to, you know, just find a way to put it on here. But this absolutely works perfect. I already drove it over here from my house to the park. Let's just go in here like that. This clamps on, and you're ready to go. And then this, obviously, you just put this back. And it is very secure. Ready to go. So anyway, that's my fishing bike. I don't think I need to do anything else on it. I might put a larger light on it though. Anyway, hope you like it. Remember to like and subscribe. And remember, folks, keep it simple, real simple, so you can enjoy these beautiful days. That was not cool. I don't like spiders and snakes. changed the hook on here. Or maybe it's tilapia that's biting this thing. Got short little bites. Now I got him. Now I got him. Yeah. Finally got one. Yes. There we go. There you go. Look at that guy. Beautiful fish.
Is that a bass?
Yeah, little bass.
Take a picture.
Yeah, I am. Hey, little sucker. All right. Whoa, 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 little buddy. I'll get you back in there. Great. Right over here's a good one. Okay, little buddy. There you go. Fishing rig. I'm gonna fix it up a little bit more, but